This is how I manage my finances with Notion. At the end of this video, you will comprehend why you cannot merely disregard Notion for overseeing your finances. You will also unveil 3 fundamental principles that you should contemplate for effectively managing your finances on Notion. Now, enough talk. Let me demonstrate how I accomplish this on Notion. This is the Financial Operating System template, constructed upon 4 meticulously selected principles to guarantee its efficiency and efficacy in monitoring the finances of individuals and businesses globally. Let us delve into its construction and my personal utilization of it. As you are aware, incomes, expenses, and transfers are the fundamental data points essential for monitoring your financial habits. Categorizing this data is crucial. Therefore, for expenses, I have established a dedicated section to facilitate efficient management, providing a platform for the creation of budgets tailored to specific categories. On this page, it is feasible to delineate budgets based on your income, track your present expenses, and review the remaining balance. Incomes hold equivalent significance. Hence, a multitude of revenue streams can offer valuable insights. Determining which activities yield the highest profit margins enables mastery in that aspect. Remember, focus begets expansion. Additionally, historical data is available for analysis purposes. Both monthly and yearly overviews are accessible, facilitating more informed decision-making. This constitutes one of the finest pieces of advice that I can offer you today. Naturally, there is no need for you to become excessively preoccupied with meticulously calculating the amount you expended on your morning snack. In this regard, budgets prove to be invaluable. Establishing a budget enables you to manage your finances judiciously and purposefully. Nevertheless, it is essential to monitor the balance in your primary account diligently and ensure its accuracy. To facilitate this task, you may utilize tools for recording your sources of incomes, expenses, and transfers. In order to set up your bank account correctly, it is necessary to provide information such as the initial balance and the type of account. In the dashboard, one can swiftly peruse their entire balance with the convenience of 3 prompt buttons on the left for documenting incomes, expenses, and transfers. Quite convenient, wouldn't you agree? When delving into automation, it is imperative to grasp its purpose and how it can be efficiently implemented in this template. The primary challenge at hand is the repetitive and arduous task of consistently documenting activities. Thus, a practical approach would involve crafting templates for recurring records. For instance, I shall establish a template for my monthly charitable contribution. Complete the designated fields with the appropriate information. Regarding the bank account, simply choose the account at the time of finalizing the transaction. Let us now establish a recurring task for this. On the first day of each month, this template will be automatically populated, requiring only my review and confirmation of the transaction. Jesus, it would be interesting to add an icon here, wouldn't it? Perfect. Perhaps financial aspirations are driving your quest for financial organization. Such matters undoubtedly warrant particular emphasis within Financial OS. Here, you have the opportunity to establish your aspirations and seamlessly allocate funds from your accounts towards these objectives. Monitor the advancement, delineate, and follow through. This platform serves as the arena where I establish personal milestones and strategize to attain them. Regarding subscriptions, this template provides a dedicated space for their registration and enables the tracking of monthly expenses associated with each subscription, categorizing them based on their status as either active or inactive. The purpose of this video is to convey valuable insights that I personally use. Through these insights, I am confident that with minimal knowledge in Notion, you will be able to build your own template. However, if you are a busy or overwhelmed individual, I have already taken the trouble to do so. Therefore, my other advice for you today would be, never do what another person can do for you. If you have taken an interest in this template and wish to obtain your copy to commence organizing your finances, the link is the first in the description. We shall meet again in the next video.